Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok violations. So the first step is to open the TikTok app on this Android device. So when it's open, now you will have to go in the profile icon is the right below. Now click on the top right corner of three lines of settings. Now go to settings and privacy. Now you will have to scroll down a little bit and click to report a problem. So once it will be loading, so from the here you will just see in the top right corner of the history, so here is you will get your support ticket. So now there is no violation on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.